What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Fletch back here again with another video. Today's video I'll be installing some Godspeed adjustable sway bar links on my 2019 Honda Accord Sport. So let's get into it. Watch me struggle to put this car on the lift. Alright guys, so it's going to be a 14mm on the strut and a 14mm down the bottom attached to the sway bar that you need to unfasten. Alright guys, so right here I'm trying to use my my power ratchet to do this faster because it was on my lunch break, but the socket wasn't fitting in there, so what I did, I just used my gear wrench and just took it off that way. It's gonna be a 14mm as well. Mine didn't spin. There's an Allen key head that you can hold if that sway bar is spinning while taking the 14 off. That's the way to do it, but I didn't have to do that. Mine just came off with no problem, so hope you guys have no problem taking yours off. But if you do, I believe it's a 7mm or a 6mm Allen hex. Alright guys, I had to loosen them, but you can just basically just spin it out like that. So because the difference in the height, that's the difference in length. So just match them up, spin them out and match them up, and or guys, it should look something like this. Now let's make sure you tighten these down right here. It's a 17 and a 17. Same on the bottom. And I tighten up these 14s. Then you repeat on the other side. So I tightened everything up, so I'm just gonna repeat the process on the other side and then wrap it up. Alright guys, that's just a quick little video installing those Godspeed end links. I'm gonna go test drive the car now and see if the clunk is gone. That is the reason why I'm doing these, because I was told we need adjustable sway bar links when you lower it. So we're gonna go see if that's true and if it fixed the issue. So, alright guys, I believe the problem is fixed. Oh my. The problem is fixed, guys. No more clunks. We used to clunk going over bumps. So if you lower your 10th channel cord, you gotta put adjustable sway bar links on the inner front to prevent any clunking. Like, see, I'm going over. That road was kind of bumpy. There was no clunks. And I drove around the parking lot for a while. There was no clunks. So, yeah, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next. We're gonna do, man. Comment, like, and subscribe, man. Run a road to 5K subscribers, man. Run this up, man. I need you guys to get me to 2K first, and then we'll hit 5K. But, man, you already know, man. Boy, Ferg Flex, man. We out.